I'm Miss Hampton again. And what's your name?
Presley.
Presley. We're going to do a science experiment for you today. We have a hard-boiled egg. Oh, tell them who that is. That's Miss Maggie. She's going to help us too. We have a hard-boiled egg, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to get this hard-boiled egg inside this jar. Now, as you can see, I've tried this a few times, so there's still a little smoke in this jar. But we're going to see if it works this time. So, this egg, obviously, can't go down in there, right? And we don't want to smush it. We want the whole egg to go in there at once. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this piece of paper and we're going to light it on fire with a match. Do not do this at home. You have to have an adult with you to help you whenever you use fire.
Don't make it burn.
Like this. Oh, good. Here we go. Now, so what's going to happen? Watch it. Do you see it's going down? The fire will heat the air and it causes it to expand, and the flame will die down. The air molecules will cool and they'll move closer together, creating extra space. And then the air pushes so much pressure. Look at it. It busted it. But how cool is that? The air put so much pressure on it because the air was trying to get out and the egg was in the way, so it had to push it down. How neat.
What's the experiment?
Our science experiment. Thanks, guys. We'll see you soon. We love you.